Hey, this is Victor from Imports Unlimited. This is a quick tip. I recently had the windshield replaced on my truck, and what happened was my windshield guy said, "Where's the nut covers for your windshield wiper nuts?" And so we'll see. As you can see, there are no nuts on or nut covers for my windshield wipers on my truck. Well, Dorman makes covers and they're real easy to put on. Harder to take them out of the package than to put them on, but it's basically, there you go. One more. There you go. We have nut covers, and this was for a Toyota pickup. Oops, part number. And that was the installation. Not too hard. Way to keep your car looking like new.